Hi, my name is Niluma Ann. I'm a student at Deutsche Akademie für Traditionelles Yoga in Berlin. I'm in the 6th year of yoga, 3rd year of Tantra yoga, and 3rd year of Kashmir Shaivism. For about 5 years, I'm engaging myself in spiritual women groups, where we amplify our femininity, where we work on our spiritual development, and where we use our full potential, or learn to use the full potential as women, which we are naturally endowed of from birth on, and which we, in this lifetime, need to awaken and to use these potentials to a fullest and to the maximum we can do. I'm participating in the Tantra for Women intensive training, which helps you to lead these kind of women groups. In the upcoming sacred belly dancing workshop, we will discover the energies of the 4 elements. Our world is full of energies, and the 4 elements are the fundamental energies which this world is made up from, and it's earth, water, fire, and air. In this workshop, I will give you a theoretical background about these 4 elements. We will do short meditations, and I will help you to feel these energies in your being. And we will do it in a playful way through belly dance. So you will learn movements which are resonating with those 4 elements, so that you can feel those energies in your own body, and then by this to fully manifest these energies through dance. I am very much delighted to welcome you soon in this workshop and to dance with you.